I am putting on
one of the
brand new patterns. This is called, let me come over to the camera and show you Spider Buffetti.
I can't. How cute.
I can hardly stand it. They're so fun. Spider Buffetti in smaller large.
Little witch hat on the spider, just saying.
Is there a little, oh, I didn't notice. There's a little witch hat. How cute is that?
Right?
Now, Tara Tesher, I understand you were cheating on me.
What do you mean?
On Sunday.
I would never.
You were with that other fellow who shall remain nameless. And you kicked these off, didn't you?
We did.
And since that time, how many, Alan, have been ordered?
Quite a few.
13,000 have been ordered.
Everybody. Yes.
Tara Tesher is the designer, the CEO, the what else do we call you? CEO, designer.
I go by a lot of names.
All that's one person.
Good friend of the In the
how about
Kitchen
that?
with David crew.
And she just had a wedding anniversary.
I
My
did.
gracious.
7 years, if you can believe it.
Wow.
And I've been holding this tea kettle on my hand the whole time we've been talking.
Are you feeling some warmth?
I feel a little warmth, but here's the best part. It's not burning me. And we all know how hot boiling water is. So the fact, watch, I'm going to put this right back down. This is what we love about it. These gloves have layer upon layer of protection for your hand. The silicone on the front, the silicone on the back, and then that multiple layer. The drop down of the cuff, so when you're reaching into the stove, when you're reaching in and bumping inevitably the sides, you don't have to worry about burning yourself. And we have some great patterns and some great colors. Hello, bacon.
This just lets you know how much I love bacon.
Yes.
That's a whole plate of bacon. And I smell bacon.
Yes, you do.
Over here because you're cooking some bacon to prove a point, yes?
Yeah, and that's the point, right? I love the fact that, again, you can do things like on your stovetop. Let me just hit that first up. On your stovetop, like bacon, where it's splashing you, splattering you. Now I can reach right across here. I don't have to worry about burning them. You're getting 4 gloves, which is amazing. And this is the most affordable we've ever offered them. Why we made it a big deal.
Now, one thing that I love to do
yes,
is show you how many
gloves you get.
Gloves you get. You get 1 pair. You get 2 pair.
You got
get 4 gloves. I am not kidding.
Right.
That's a lot. So you can choose small or large.
Right.
We're going to go through our patterns.
Let's do it.
And Mr. Allen, I'm going to ask you if we have both small and large in each one, okay? So is this Christmas lights?
That's holiday lights.
Holiday lights. Holiday lights. We're going to try to come in nice and close. And Alan, do we have both sizes in this one? Holiday lights. Then this is gray reindeer.
Yep.
Yes, both sizes. This is gnomes.
Hanging with my gnome.
Hanging with my gnomies. We have large only and gnomes. All right. This one is
Hollyberry.
Hollyberry. We have both. This is Paul Fetty.
Love some Paul Fetty.
I can't believe you have. We have both sizes in Paul Fetty.
That's amazing.
Left.
Yep.
Wow. Watermelon. We have both. This is called Gray Damask. We have both. This is called Nista. We have both sizes. This is Red
Doodle-doo.
Doodle-doo. We have both in that. Then we have what Tara calls her classics. This is black. We have both sizes. Blue. Both sizes. Green. Both sizes. Hello, yellow. Both sizes. Believe. We have both. Pumpkin Patch. And this is
Spider Buffetti.
Spider Buffetti. We have both sizes.
And candy corn.
Candy corns.
Yes.
We have both sizes. We just sold out of watermelon small.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Now, again, how many gloves do you get?
How about 4?
How about 2 pair? Here's 1 pair. Here's the other pair.
$4 a glove. Incredible.
How about Chef Viviani? What do you think?
He's got the Paul Fetty.
He's got Paul Fetty. Do you have an animal at home? Do you have a dog or a cat?
I have an entire farm, Steve. I was talking to Steve. I have an entire farm, David. And hello.
Hi.
Billy. These are fantastic.
Thank
by the way.
you. We always talk about having the right tools in the kitchen. This is one of those great things. So when you go into the oven,
may I?
Yeah, of course, please. I would love to. You can easily take it out. Something hot up to 500 degrees, literally under the broiler. And look at how great that. Look at the other thing. You can use it as a trivet if you want. So you can go ahead and put the baker.
They don't feel clunky.
Right?
They
don't feel
like
hot.
an extent. They
Ooh,
feel like gloves.
I'm gonna do something. Ready?
Well, and they give you your dexterity back.
Wait, what?
What do you feel?
What?
Probably a little heat, but nothing that's burning you.
No, nothing. Really? Nothing? Wow. Look, I mean,
That's the
serious.
best.
What?
That's what we love. Whether you're taking these out to the barbecue, whether you're grilling with these, maybe you're grabbing those baked potatoes and turning them, the corn on the cob. This is what we love about that. The ability to, again, have layer upon layer of protection for your hands. And then that silicone creates that non-slip grip. So what's nice about that, you're able to, again, open those pesky jars because, again, it has silicone on the front and the back.
Now, if we want to wash these, Tara, do you recommend that we hang them to dry?
Yes, hang them to dry. You can put them right in your washing machine, no problem. Just let them air dry because of that silicone.
Wow. Now, we are over 1,000 of these are gone.
Thank you, everybody.
Wow. I might wear them in Chicago during cold weather.
I was going to say,
driving.
they're perfect for cold, too.
For maybe scraping the windshield,
I'm going
Chef.
to drive with you.
How about scraping the
It's
windshield?
like minus 20 degrees in Chicago. These are in my truck. I'm going to drive it.
It's multi-purpose, multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Hey, let me update you on patterns and what has sold out? Gnomes has sold out.
The
Gnomes is gone. Hanging with my gnomes.
Hanging
and
with
watermelon
the
is gone? Watermelon is gone.
Ooh, watermelon.
All right, so let's remind you of what is. Okay, we have both sizes and everything else. This is Holiday Lights. Here comes Holiday Lights. We're last call on Holiday Lights. Then in Gray Reindeer. What do we call this one, Tara?
That is Holly Berry.
Holly Berry, thank you. Then we've got Paul Fetty, Gray Damask. This is called Nista, Red Doodle Doo. Back here are the classic colors. Here's black, here's blue, here's green, Hello Yellow, Believe, Pumpkin Patch, Spider Buffetti. We're last call on Spider
They're
Buffetti.
so cute.
So stinking
cute.
cute. And then finally candy corn, which I'm in love with
Yes,
too.
me too. Our brand new holiday patterns that we love, our harvest patterns that we brought in.
What is that?
How about a little mac and cheese? Carol's mac and cheese, by the way.
How about?
So a couple of things. Here's really why I designed it. The fact, David, that I can reach right inside this oven. You can see this mac and cheese bubbling and boiling. I can pull out the rack. I can bump into the sides. I can touch the broiler and not even have to worry about getting burned. I can take that baker right out.
I got your door.
Thank you. And now, what I love also is these gloves double as a trivet. So you can take some of these bubbling, boiling pieces and put them right on there.
Now, if you guys want to find this recipe, go to David's Recipes on QVC.com and look for the 8 cheese mac and cheese. It won't say Carol's. It won't say Carol's. It'll say 8 cheese mac and cheese.
But you'll know it's
It has
Carol's.
8 cheeses in it. And don't scrimp. Use every one of the 8 because it is the best mac and cheese you're ever going to eat.
Oh my God, it smells so amazing.
Oh my word, it's so good.
Yes.
And if you want to put some bacon in there, that wouldn't hurt my feelings either.
No, bacon never hurts your feelings.
Here's some bacon.
There's some bacon. I was just going to say. And had you had your gloves on, look at you.
I'm just putting bacon
You're
right
so
on top.
resourceful. See?
I'm putting bacon
Don't
right on top.
give this man a task.
Look
You
at
got
that.
it.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Don't give me
so
a theme
good.
and a credit card either.
I know that.
Look at that. Oh my word.
Who knew the water worked? Okay.
And it's bacon mac and cheese.
Bacon mac and cheese. And it's sitting on that glove as a trivet.
How
all
many of
four.
these are gone, Ellen?
This is an amazing deal.
Over 2,000 in this show.
Thank you, everybody.
Over, that's 15,000 now since Sunday.
Wow.
It's great to see you again,
Yeah.
friend.
Great to
nice
see
to
you
have
too.
you back.
See y'all soon.
All
Bye.
right, let's head over here because it's time.